Hey folks, in this video I will guide you through how to set up vacation responder in Gmail. So let's say when you are out of office, you can set up automatic reply to incoming email. So to set up this, go to your Gmail account and click on this J icon and go to CO settings. So in here, scroll down in the general tab, and in here you see vacation responder. So what you need to do is turn on the vacation responder, and you need to add the starting date, so which default set to current date, and in last day you need to add the your vacation ending date. So I just keep the default date, and here you need to add a subject, so I add out of office, and so here you need to add the message for the respond email. So if you select this option, it will only send the automatic reply to contacts that are in your Google contacts. After you have done the changes, save the changes. So now you can see this notice in the Gmail window. That means vacation mode is activated. So let's try this for some random email. So I'm going to compose a new email. I'm sending this. Okay, now I'm going to send the email. Okay, I sent the email. So let's see if I received the email. Okay, now you see, now I received the email. And if I go to my Outlook account now you can see I got this auto reply email from the Gmail. So if you want to turn off the vacation mode, you can either click on this end now, or you can go to vacation settings and turn this off. So that's it. If you have any question, feel free to comment. I will get back to you. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.